So got Steve out here welding up the perches on the 64. Got the pinion angle set up. The length is proper. Oh, that looks good. Probably get the car running or the truck running today, take it out for a spin, see how it works with this Dana. You hear some of the noise. Beautiful. That ain't gonna move. No. There's Steve, the good welder. Inside here. Let's see. Welding the track locator bracket. That ain't gonna fall, Steve.
Oh, it's gonna be good.
Done. He got the rear end welded. Thanks again, Steve.
Anytime.
And we'll be calling you for more welding.
Absolutely. Mopar or no car?
That's it. Well, this was a Chevy though.
I know, we could work on Chevys though. We gotta make a living.
All right, Steve. Thanks again.
All right, bro.
It got the shocks on, the brakes, brake lines on. I got a figure out a way to hook up the emergency, or the brake cable rather. But this is how the bracket looks now. This one came off the original Eaton rear end, so as you can see it's on there. And the way the CCP kit with the long track bar, it would have ended like right where my finger is, and the way they have it, it was located about right here, so it was about 3 inches of difference. But it's on now. I just gotta wait for the for the brake cylinders. I'm gonna replace those. May as well. It's already up on the stand. So, but anyway, that's where we're at, and we'll get it running here within the next day or so. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend. Be safe, and hope to see you soon.